Y'all, it looks so good. Ooh, look at that. It's done. Okay. It's done. Alrighty. Now we're going to go ahead and, since we got these over here, y'all, so we're going to do it like this. Because you know you got to add 3 buns to it. So we're going to do it like this. We're going to use this first one. Trying to get a perfect scoop, y'all, because it's going to be sloppy, but it's cool. I believe I was supposed to put the cheese on first, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll put that on there. We're going to use this one, the third one, y'all. You can either put it at the top or the bottom. It really don't matter, y'all. Just scoop it right up on there. Look at that. Look at that, boy. It's going to fall, but it's okay. Hey, it ain't going to be perfect. We take another little scoop. Scoop it up. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. Oh. Okay. Let me open up another piece of slice of cheese, you guys. Hold on. Bear with me, y'all. My son be doing his little YouTube stuff, so he be too busy for me. We're gonna put this on here like that, y'all. Flaws and all, y'all. I'm making a mess. It's okay. That's the whole purpose. Sloppy Joe. And we're gonna throw that bad boy on there like that. And that's what it look like, y'all. My burger is actually leaning, y'all, but it's okay. I'm gonna take a bite out of it in a minute. But yeah, this is the finished course of that. So you guys go ahead and get y'all some stuff and yeah, make y'all Big Mac Sloppy Joe. It's falling, baby. It's falling, but that looks so good. I'm about to chow down, y'all. Gonna make you some. Y'all know the ingredients and stuff that you need, and voila, that's what you do. Alright, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, Unique Butterfly 29. I will talk to you guys later because I'm hungry and I'm gonna eat. Peace.